John Wick with a stick. Bought a trap phone, just a green light hit. All that talking make the chopper give you lip filler.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to sew down your frontal on an adjustable wig cap, because this is usually like the ones that I like to use. But as you can see, I'm showing you that gray line and the strap where you see it's closer to the front. That gray line is where I put it on my head and I marked out where my ears are, so I will be sewing over the strap. I put the frontal over it because you have to sew over it, so straps will act as a elastic band pretty much. And this is the other side I'm showing. I did the same exact thing. So when you cut the wig cap part out, your elastic band will stay and act, not elastic band, but the straps will stay and act as an elastic band to pretty much secure your wig. But see here, I'm showing where the not elastic band, bro, but the straps are, and I sew over it with a sewing machine because it makes it tighter. So yeah, you're good. And the front is shaped as an M, as it should, and the back is just straight across. And pretty much that's about it. If y'all understand, if y'all have any questions, y'all could ask down below and I'll try to answer it. And hopefully it was clear because it's a short video, but I didn't see much people have this type of video, so I thought I'd just make it. And then I'm just sewing on the frontal and that's it. So I also forgot to mention that I did adjust the wig cap so it was tighter on my head, and I know my wig would be good. So yeah, you should also do that, like adjust the wig cap. And the way you could do this, I don't know, man, this is kind of like, you know, a secret, but whatever. The way you could do this is find a seam in the wig, which the best one to do is in the middle since you'll cut that part out anyway. So you sew the seam that's in the middle. I didn't show it in the video, but you sew that part and make it smaller.